Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Before we jump into today's tour, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our daily Camp Nou construction updates. Today we're once again inside the Spotify Camp Nou with a fresh look at all the progress across the stadium, and there's a lot to cover. So let's get started. We begin our walkthrough at one of the new access cores for the future third tier. This core is one of the most advanced on-site, with prefabricated stair structures already installed and most of the main beams and pillars now in place. Even though the exterior is still raw, this entire zone will soon be closed off with its final cladding, giving it the sleek look seen in the official renders. Moving along the outer avenues, we entered through the south goal lateral side. As we approach the south goal corner, the metal framework for the ceramic decorative louvres becomes increasingly prominent. These louvres will be one of the defining visual elements of the new stadium facade. Even with only a small section installed so far, it's easy to picture how striking the full facade will look once it climbs across all three terraces. Continuing the tour, we step into one of the new interior corridors, already lively because it's a match day. Seeing these spaces full of fans gives a real sense of how the final stadium will feel once everything is open. Beside them stands tower crane number 2. Up close, it's enormous. Some of the tower cranes on site reach around 85 meters in height and play a crucial role in lifting prefabricated elements into place. And gate is now equipped with updated security cameras. The overall setup is clean and functional, which is exactly what's needed at this stage. If you're enjoying the update so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and lets us bring you more exclusive updates from inside the stadium. Heading toward the Tribuna, we approach one of the giant diamond structures, which will become the future official club store. The skeleton is complete, but it's still waiting for the massive glass panels that will define its final look. Nearby, the museum zone continues to advance. The first segment of the new escalators has been installed. Once the exterior decorative louvres are added, this entire area will look dramatically different. Inside Tribuna, the atrium area is becoming more defined, with access routes toward the VIP spaces, player areas, and pitch-level zones already mapped out. These will become some of the highest traffic routes on match days. Moving toward the lateral stand, leveling work continues on the second phase of the underground parking. Concrete preparation is steady, and new surfaces are being shaped daily. Nearby, the third phase of parking construction remains paused, waiting for excavation machinery to return so the diaphragm walls can be completed. As we curve around toward the north goal, we pass the recognizable diamond corner between the north goal and the lateral stand. The main access point for fans in this sector is taking shape quickly. The goal is to open both the first and second tiers of the north goal by late December or early January. Up on the third terrace, reinforcement work continues on multiple slabs, indicating future installations that will require stronger support. Finally, at the south goal area, the commercial strip is taking shape with several store units already installed. The esplanade, entrances, and metal substructure for the facade all show steady daily progress. And that wraps up today's update from the Spotify Camp Nou. If you enjoyed the breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from MegaVerse Builds. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.